Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Are you having trouble with your WhatsApp voice messages? Does it sound distorted, choppy, or not playing at all? Fortunately, there are some simple solutions that can help you fix this issue and enjoy clear voice messages again. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem with some easy steps. Let's go. To fix WhatsApp voice message problems, you can try several solutions based on common issues reported and their solutions using your Android or iPhone device. WhatsApp needs permission to use your microphone for recording voice messages. Verify that your device's microphone is functioning correctly and that WhatsApp has the necessary permissions to access it. To do this, go to your device's settings and find WhatsApp under Apps. And check if it has microphone access. If not, toggle on the microphone. Another solution you can try to solve the issue is to clear the cache or restart the application. To do this on Android, go to Settings. Proceed to Apps. Select WhatsApp. Tap Storage and clear the cache. This won't delete your data, but might solve the problem. On iPhone, you can restart the app instead. Swipe up from your home screen to access the app switcher. Flick WhatsApp to the top and reopen the application. This might solve some issues that you are experiencing with the app, such as slow loading, crashing, or freezing. Aside from that, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as WhatsApp voice messages require a reliable network to send and receive. Check your signal strength. If you are using a mobile data connection, make sure you have enough bars of signal on your phone. If you are using a Wi-Fi connection, make sure you are close enough to the router and there are no obstructions or interferences. Otherwise, you will not get one check mark or you cannot download the voice message. An outdated app can lead to various issues, including voice message problems. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for updates. On your iPhone, go to the App Store. Look for WhatsApp. Then tap Update. Updating your app can fix bugs and improve performance. Often, a simple restart can solve temporary glitches that affect WhatsApp voice messages. Both Android and iOS users can benefit from this quick fix. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID, such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. If all else fails, try uninstalling and then reinstalling WhatsApp. Remember to back up your chats first to avoid losing any data. You'll find tutorials on my channel on how to do that. Did any method help you? If so, comment below which one it was. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.